Hello and welcome to this video where we will be learning the French alphabets. The French alphabet has 26 letters just like the English alphabet, but there are some differences in pronunciation and accent marks that you should be aware of. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently pronounce each letter of the French alphabet and recognize some common French words. Let's start with an overview of the French alphabet. The French alphabet consists of 26 letters and is written in the same way as the English alphabet. However, there are 5 extra letters that are unique to the French alphabet.
E accent aigu, E accent grave, E accent circonflexe, E tréma,
And
C cédille.
now that you know the French alphabets, it's important to learn how to pronounce each letter correctly. French pronunciation can be tricky, but with practice, you can get the hang of it. Let's start with the vowels. As we mentioned earlier, some of the French vowels have accents, which change the pronunciation. Here are the 5 vowel sounds in French.
A, E, He, O, U.
Now, let's move on to the consonants. Most of the French consonants are pronounced in a similar way to English, but there are a few that are different. Let's go through the French consonants one by one.
B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Let's listen to a song for easy memorizing.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,